Here are some habits or practices that you should avoid if you're learning to code. 1. Skipping the basics. Jumping into advanced topics without a solid understanding of the fundamentals can lead to confusion and gaps in knowledge. Make sure you have a strong grasp of the basic concepts before moving on. 2. Copying code without understanding. Copying and pasting code from tutorials or online forums without understanding what it does will hinder your learning. Take the time to understand each line of code and its purpose. 3. Neglecting hands-on practice. Reading books and watching tutorials is helpful, but coding is a skill best learned by doing. Make sure to write your own code regularly and work on projects. 4. Not using version control. Ignoring tools like Git for version control can lead to lost progress and difficulty in managing changes. Start using version control early on to keep track of your code. 5. Fear of making mistakes. Avoiding experimentation and fearing mistakes can slow down your learning process. Mistakes are a valuable part of learning, so don't be afraid to try new things and debug errors. 6. Focusing too much on syntax. While syntax is important, understanding the underlying concepts and problem-solving strategies is more critical. Focus on how to approach problems logically. 7. Trying to learn too many languages at once. It's tempting to learn multiple programming languages at the same time, but this can lead to confusion. Start with one language and become proficient before moving on to others. 8. Ignoring error messages. Error messages are there to help you understand what went wrong. Take the time to read and interpret them instead of just trying random fixes. 9. Not asking for help. Coding can be challenging, and it's okay to ask for help when you're stuck. Use online communities, forums, and mentors to seek guidance. 10. Giving up too soon. Learning to code can be frustrating, and progress might seem slow. Persistence is key. Stick with it, and don't give up too soon. Avoiding these habits will help you become a more effective and confident programmer.